Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I will show you how to create an Telegram channel. To create an Telegram channel, just click on the pin button of the bottom right corner, and after that click on new channel. Give a name of your channel and then give a description of your channel. In this description, write one topic of your channel if you want to rank for your channel. Suppose I am writing After that, click on the right button and select the public channel or private channel. If you select private channel, then people will not get your channel by search, but if you select public channel, then people will get your channel by search. Anyway, I am selecting public channel. After that, give a link of your channel and be careful in this section because you cannot change this link after you have saved once. After getting your desired public link, just click on right button and you can now invite people, and after that click on this arrow button. This is your channel. This is a quick video guys. Thank you so much. Visit our website www.passivern.com and the link of this Telegram channel will be given in the description. You can join with us. Thank you.